some oil. Now the oil is heated, so we'll just add some jeera. And here goes grated garlic. And let it sizzle. So once the garlic has sizzled, we'll just add in some onion puree.
Get ready to fry.
And then add in some salt and let this turn little golden. Okay, so now as you can see, it has turned little yellowish, so we'll add in tomato puree. Then we'll do all the seasoning. So add salt, red chili powder. Pav Bhaji is spicy, so we like to add more. Then there will be a little bit of turmeric. Everything will be as per your taste and preference. And the main ingredient, Pav Bhaji masala. So add that also generously. I use Everest Pav Bhaji masala. Not sponsored. And mix, mix, mix. Now we just have to make sure that cover it for some time and let the water evaporate a little bit. Mix, mix, mix. Cover it, otherwise it will just splash everywhere. So yeah. See you in 2 minutes. So yeah, this is almost done. In goes potatoes, green peas and capsicum, like green bell pepper only. So in Mumbai style Pav Bhaji, only these 3 ingredients are added. We have seen many of them adding cauliflower, carrots, beetroot, but when you're making a proper authentic street style Mumbai Pav Bhaji, then you just need to add green peas, potatoes and capsicum. So I chopped the capsicum into little pieces and 1 cup of peas and some potatoes. Now we'll just add half or 1 cup of water. Again, just mix everything well. I guess I'll add a little more water, but yeah, I guess half cup would do. Now just close the lid. Make sure it's sealed. And then we'll cancel this. We'll keep it to pressure cooker mode. And we'll keep for around 15 minutes. So after 15 minutes, just make sure that the pressure is released and the valve is down, and open the instant pot. At this moment, it will just look like a regular sabzi, but the real magic happens in next 15 minutes. Ask your husband over here to help you out. So yeah, now just smash everything very well. So after it has been smashed, it should look somewhat like this. And next step, just keep it on a saute mode for more 10 minutes. I had added little more water, so I kept for 15 minutes, but you can just keep it for 10 minutes and mix it well, and make sure that you cover the lid, because at this time it is going to splash a lot and you just don't want to burn yourself. So cover it well. This is how your bhaji will look like. Lastly, just add some butter. Garnish with some coriander leaves. Add in your onions. If you want to know this recipe, comment and let us know. We'll share it. And finally, some toasted pav and butter.
No, and the last thing is remaining.
What?
Chas.
Oh yeah, buttermilk.